We're doing some inspecting for a customer of ours who's a prospective buyer. And they are in the process of buying this new home. It is a brand new home, but during the construction or after the construction, before they're taking possession of it, there was a water damage event. And it affected the wood floor on this level. And can you see the difference in the texture and sheen of some of the hardwood floor planks? Near the far door and window, the floor is very smooth, and the planks in the middle have a lot more texture to them. I don't know if I would be willing to accept that kind of workmanship in a home that's literally supposed to be brand new. We'll walk around to this angle and just ask your opinion. Can you maybe see a difference in the planks that were replaced from this angle versus the ones that were not replaced? And then come over here from this angle, and again, the floor on the far end of the room near the windows is very smooth, and the wood planks more in the foreground have ripples and texture to them.